Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about that UI action. So we know that UI action is such a component that is used in client side as well as the server side. So today what we are going to do that we are going to open that incident form. Under this incident form you can see we have a state called new, right? So if I open an incident which is in new state, what will be happen? There will be a button called like a resolve button. There should be a button called in progress, and once user click that in progress button, the state should be changed to in progress, right? So let's understand that there should be a button called in progress, and then somebody click that, it will update the status to new to in progress, and that button will be only visible if it is not in progress state. So let's see. To do that, we are going to open this UI action module, and under this UI action module we will open this UI actions, and then we are going to create a new UI action. I will click the new button. So once we open this UI action, you can see that the first thing is the name. So we'll say that in progress, and then we'll say that it should be in form button. Form button means if we click that, it will be visible on that the form in the top here. So we are selecting the form button, and we are selecting the table equal to incident. So we are going to select the table is incident. Now we will simply I'm not going to change order, and I'm not doing anything. It will be visible under insert and update. It will be active, order will be 100. So let it as it is. So we'll just save that record. Once we save that, let's refresh that here, and you can see there is a button called in progress button that we have created. Now if we click that, the button, the purpose of this button should be it should update the state from new to in progress automatically. Let's see if we click that what is happening. First see. So if we click that, it is not, if I go back to that, it is not updating the state. So it is as it is, the state is as it is. So we need to do certain thing that once we click that, this state should be updated to news to in progress, right? For that we need to write a script. So this is our script. So we will start writing the script here. Let's say that first we are going to declare the same thing. We are going to do that where gr equal to new glide record. Then we are putting that incident. Then we put that gr.get, and then we will pass this sysid of this incident. And then what we want gr.update or gr.state equal to 2, and then gr.update. So what will be happen if we click that, or if once we click that, this script will be done, and this script is going to be update this record like this sysid state it from new state to in progress state, right? So what it is doing, so if we click this in progress, this script will be executed, and this is going to call the incident table with this sysid, and then their state is going to be updated. Now this sysid we cannot hard code it, right? We don't know for which incident user will be open and click the in progress. So from these forms we should dynamically get the sysid, right? To get this dynamically sysid, instead of this direct sysid, what we can do, we can put that current. There is an object called current, so you can use that current underscore sysid. So once you put that current is the object, and after that you can access any of this incident field. So right now you are in the incident form. So if you want to access number, caller, category, you can use the current.caller underscore id, current.category, current.subcategory, you can use that. So we need the sysid, so we'll use the current.sysid. That will give me that latest or current this incident sysid, and we want to update their object or their state to 2. Let's save that and see what happens. And now if we refresh that, so this UI action is saved. Now if I refresh, so this is the incident that is right now refreshed, and then if I click the in progress, the state should be updated from new to in progress. Let's try again. So if I click this in progress, it should update the state from new to in progress. I just click that button. You can see that the screen is little grayed out because the system is trying to hit to the server and trying to update that. My PDI is little slow, so that's the reason it's taking some time. Now you can see that the state is updated to in progress. Through the script, we are able to update the state to in progress. Now, so this is the one thing we actually able to know that how we can write the code. So this class, like updation part, we learned from our previous class, and we actually implemented here, right? So this way you can update that from in progress to you can put the on hold, and then system can put that state to on hold. There is a tweak, so you can do this way. So this is the one way you can update that. Another option is that as your current system, this current objects is available, we call the object. As your current object is available, you are able to access the current.c side this way. You don't need to glide record anymore. You can simply use that current dot state equal to 2, and then you can put that current dot update. So instead of glide record, you don't need to do the glide record because your current object is available right now. So you don't need to do a glide record. You can simply use that current dot state equal to 2 and then current dot update this function, so that what will be happen, it will be update this current record only, current records. You don't need to do the glide query to fetch that incident and then update that. You don't need to do that. So let's try that. So if I refresh that, and let's say I'm updating this state to new and save, and then if I click in progress, it should be update that state to in progress. So you can see the state got updated to in progress. Now you probably seen that we are in progress state and still we are seeing this in progress button, right? So we don't need this in progress when this button whenever we are in progress state. For that also you can write some code. So you have a condition. Under this condition you can define that on which condition you don't want to, or you want to see this button or you don't want to see the button. So what we are saying that in the condition, if condition return true, then only this button will be visible. So our case, we don't want to show this button under in progress state. So what we'll do, we'll put that current dot state not equal to 2. So if it is not in progress, then return true and then it should be visible. Now let's save that. So this is the condition we placed there. Let's save. And let's refresh. So you can see we are in progress state. That's the reason that in progress button is not visible anymore. If we go back to the new state and then save that, the button should be visible. So you can see we are in new state and then button is visible. And now if you click the in progress button, the state will be updated to in progress. So I just click that. You notice that I'm redirecting to that different page, and I need to click go back this sign to check that the actual value, because these things also you can fix. We'll discuss this later, but you can see that using that that button is after clicking this button, this state changes to in progress and then button is not visible. So this is we using this simple line of code we can actually achieve our requirement. So we have a two part where we can write the script. First part is this one called condition, where we can define that in which condition this will be visible, and this is the script part where we can write the server side script to do some operation, like we can update, we can set the state. Even if you want to do other operation, we can do that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.